Today, we're excited to share some notes for the latest update of OptimumCNC plasma cutting software, version 2.0.2441. This update brings the addition of the CutStart marking mode, allowing you to switch to marking only the pierce points for the loaded file. Switching to the CutStart marking mode can be done by pressing this button in the bottom ribbon of your main screen. While in this mode, the system will go from pierce point to pierce point, waiting for an allocated period of time. Once you're done, simply press refresh to switch back to the original file. In the CAM module, we've added highlighting to the beginning and the ends of the open contours and lines, with green for the beginning and red for the end. This allows you to easily see if there are any unwanted open contours, so that you can fix any potential issues quicker. We've also done some minor improvements, such as adding a new 2x4 preset for our Sparks gear reduction machines to simplify the initial setup process. Additionally, this update also comes with bug fixes, such as an issue that would sometimes prevent the CAD module from properly exporting certain lines into CAM. To update to the latest version, please follow the instructions in your user manual. Please note that you will be updating both the software and the profile this time around. That's all for now. Stay tuned for further updates.